we first got this grant, it was super exciting, and it filled up within 24 hours of us advertising it, and we still had 15 on the waiting list. So it was really amazing, and all of them came to all 8 weeks, and the energy all 8 weeks was super exciting.
But when I saw this program, I felt like I was winning the lottery, literally, when I was able to be the last one on the list to get in.
Esther, our instructor, made it so exciting, and she was very energetic. She just has such a good heart. She does a great job as a teacher and guiding us and leading the way.
To see someone that does not know anything about clay techniques, nothing about it, and you're gonna see the kind of result that you're looking at, I mean, it's amazing.